On the Madras High Court has now issued a notice to the Petroleum and Finance Ministries saying that they need to consider bringing down fuel under GST. The Madras High Court was hearing a plea to bring down diesel and petrol, within the ambit of the GST. The High Court has sent notices to Petroleum and Finance Ministries to the effect. Let's go right across to Sam joining us with the very latest on this story. Sam, what happened in court? What more can you tell us?
Well, Rishika, we're yet to go through the affidavit. We'll get it anytime soon. But I just spoke to the advocate who had filed this particular plea in the Madras High Court. He seeks an order from the Madras High Court asking for a direction to bring petrol and diesel prices under GST so that the benefits of a cheaper price of fuel could go to the consumers like you and me. He says that this kind of an attempt was tried in Kerala through a petition in the Kerala High Court, but the GST Council, he says, did not want to accept this kind of a plea at that point in time. And he says it's important the price decline at the international level in terms of the crude oil price should go to the consumers. And now states have the advantage or the right to keep the tax percentage similar or same, or they can even bring it down, but they don't do it. Ultimately, the benefits of the cheaper crude oil price doesn't go to the consumers, he says. And now the Madras High Court has ordered notice to be given to the Finance Ministry, to the oil corporations, and also to the oil ministry, and also to a few other oil corporations, including a few private run ones. And they have to respond in 4 weeks' time. But to give a background, a similar attempt was made through a petition like this in the Madras High Court, in the Kerala High Court in 2021. At that point in time, the court was unhappy that the GST Council did not take this issue seriously, and they felt that that was not the right time to bring the petrol prices under GST. This gives, at the moment, after GST was implemented, Rishika, the provision for states to levy new taxes got terribly reduced, and excise and fuel are two areas where they can actually levy taxes for the state government's projects and for their enhancing their income generation. And we'll have to see what the states would have to say on this. But at the moment, the court has directed the centre to respond in 4 weeks' time.
Thanks very much, Sam, for joining us with all that latest information. The High Court there telling the government to consider bringing petrol and diesel within the ambit of the GST. This has been a long-standing demand, not just in the state of Tamil Nadu, but elsewhere as well.